Hello, beautiful. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome, welcome. Hope you enjoyed this workout. It's going to be all about the hip, how we move our hip with the lift and then with the drop. And this is going to be a nice dance cardio workout so you can get those hips moving on the dance floor. I'll see you inside. All right, let's bring some oxygen to our body. Deep breath in. And breathe out from the nose. Breathe in from the nose. Breathe out from the nose. All right, so we're going to start with some hip lift. Feet apart. And start with the right. Right, left. Right, left. Hip lift up. Use the oblique muscles. Right, left, left. Good. 8 more. 7, 6, 5. Now we're going to go with the hip lift and we're going to walk. So wherever that weight is on your feet, so it's right hip lift, left hip lift, right foot, left foot, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Good. So we're walking, adding the hip lift. So this is good for those of you who want to belly dance or do some Latin dance, even some swing. You got to use those hips, okay? So wherever the weight is, that's where the hip goes. Up, up, up. It's right, left, right, left. Let's go slow. Here you go. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Okay, right, left. We're going to walk in place 4 counts, and then we're going to walk forward and back on the right foot. You ready? Right, left, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right foot forward, and you're back in. Forward, good. Still 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Focus on the hip going up. You might have to have your knees a bit more flexed, not straight because it's hard to move those hips if your legs are straight. Flex those knees a bit, and so the key is in the knees. If the knees are locked, you can't really move those hips. Okay, in place. Right, left, left. Now we're going to do a nice soft hip shimmy in place. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Now we're going to start with the left foot. Ready? Left foot forward with the hip. Left, right, right. Let's bring our arms out. And in. And out. And in. Out. And in. So again, I'm emphasizing on swing our hips upward. Again, if your legs are too straight, your knees are not flexed a bit, it's going to be hard. You're not moving as much. So bend the knees a little bit, and then you get those hips moving. So I use these muscles right here to kind of help you to kind of pull the hip up. So those are the oblique muscles. Out and in. Keep going. All right, in place. We're going to add a little hip shimmy, nice and smooth. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, hip shimmy. Now right foot forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Use those hips, sway up and down, up and down. Well, they're going like this, but the focus is on the hip lift. into a hip shimmy. Left foot forward. There you go. 1, 2, 4. Back to a hip shimmy. All right. So we were focusing on the hip going up. Now we're going to focus on the hip going down. So now legs are straight, hip drop, hip drop. So you got to flex the knee to bring the hip down. Right, left. But you start with the leg straight. 1, 2. Now you're going to feel a nice stretch. Drop, drop. So we're focusing on the drop. Hip down. Now let's go out. Down, down. Again, I'm focusing on bend the knee and bring the hip down, down. Nice stretch. So when you stretch, I want you to bring kind of the rib cage away from the hip. Okay, we're gonna focus on one side. Let's do the right side. First of all, let's do a shimmy, fast, choo 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 choo. Ha, right side. Okay, so you can bring the arm up, but focus on the hip going down. As you reach, stretching this side, hip down for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, switch. Drop that hip, so you're really extending the left side, stretching the left side. Okay, we're gonna get ready for some choo-choo, fast shimmy, shake it, shake it. You can go on the ball of your feet or just shimmy in place. Right foot forward, oops, drop, reach. Left, drop and reach. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now bring your arms here and bring the elbows. 1. Keep going. Drop, drop, drop. And the opposite, the arm goes up, the hip goes down. Get ready, back to your shimmy. You can be in place. Knees forward and back. I'm going to do my choo-choo, so I'm going on releve. And. Woo, really stretching the side. Drop, drop the hip, drop. Right, left, right. Keep going, repetition is key. All right, we're getting ready for the choo-choo shimmy again, or just shimmy in place. Woo! I'm going on releve. Okay, so away, hip drop. Now reach. Woo, I'm feeling it. Stretch those side. Work those oblique muscles, and that is the key. Knee oblique muscles really help you with your hips when you're dancing. Okay, I think this is going to be the last choo-choo, last shimmy. Is it going to go faster? Maybe? It's almost done. You can stay here, just shimmy in place. I'm gonna go on ball of my feet. I'm gonna turn. And hip drop. Okay, we're gonna focus on just on the hip this time. Bring your feet in and drop. Whatever that knee is flexed, that's where the hip drops. The other leg is straight, so focusing on the hip drop. Whew. Down, down. You can walk forward a little bit. All right. Whew. Bring your heart rate back. Great job. So we focus on the hip lifts in the first song and then the hip drop. And those are movements that we use in our belly dance and also in swing and Latin dance. So we gotta get these hips moving a little bit more. So I hope you enjoyed this little dance cardio workout, and I'll see you in the next one, and have a wonderful and happy day. Mwah.